Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? Well, today we're diving into a fascinating topic, the paradox of wealth and poverty in the financial world. You see, renowned businessman and writer Robert Kiyosaki has shed light on this very issue. He's pointed out that even if we were to distribute all the money in the world equally, disparities in wealth would eventually reemerge. It's a thought-provoking concept, isn't it? Kiyosaki suggests that many of us haven't learned how to build wealth in our daily lives. We're stuck in a cycle of work, home, and work again, unknowingly trapping ourselves in a triangle of poverty. But fear not. In today's video, I'll be sharing some of Kiyosaki's tips on how to break free from this cycle and invite more abundance into your life. So, if you're ready to learn how to attract wealth and financial success, be sure to stick around until the end. And hey, if you enjoy our content and want to see more videos like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us, and it helps our channel grow so we can continue bringing you valuable insights. So, without further ado, let's dive into today's discussion. Robert Kiyosaki, a successful businessman and author, often emphasizes the importance of having a plan to become rich. He says, "If you don't have a plan to become rich, then you have a plan to become poor." This might sound harsh, but it's a powerful truth. Many people believe they are free to make their own choices, but in reality, we often follow a routine set by others. Think about it. Every day, we wake up at a specific time determined by our employers. We follow the same route to work and have limited hours for lunch. This routine, imposed by the system, benefits governments and businesses. Kiyosaki believes that this routine keeps us stuck in a cycle of working for others, rather than building wealth for ourselves. Kiyosaki also suggests that our brains are wired to make others rich. We're conditioned to follow conventional financial wisdom, which often leads to us working hard to earn money for someone else's benefit. However, billionaires think differently. They go against the grain, challenging traditional beliefs about money and wealth. Instead of trying to please others with their money, they focus on growing their own wealth. So how can we break free from these habits of poverty and start building wealth for ourselves? Kiyosaki offers valuable tips to help us do just that. By following his advice, we can change our mindset, break free from financial stereotypes, and pave the way to a more prosperous future. Number 1. Forget the words "the day after tomorrow." Do you ever find yourself putting things off until later? Maybe you're someone who often says, "I'll do it tomorrow," or even, "I'll do it the day after tomorrow." Well, you're not alone. Many people live this way, always waiting for the perfect moment to take action. But here's the thing. Waiting for the right circumstances to come along is just a trick of the brain. It keeps us in our comfort zone, where everything feels safe and familiar. We might be afraid to change anything because it means stepping into the unknown, and that can be scary. However, if we want to achieve our goals and build wealth, we have to break free from this cycle of procrastination. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, we need to start taking action today. One way to do this is by making a plan. Take some time to think about what you want to achieve and write down your goals. Then, break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Think about what you can do right now, today, to move closer to your goals. Once you have a plan in place, start taking action. Even if it's just a small step like making a phone call or doing some research, every little bit counts. And as you continue to take action, you'll start to see progress. It might be slow at first, but over time, those small changes will add up and lead to big results. So, don't wait for the perfect moment to start working towards your goals. Start today, make a plan, and take action. Before you know it, you'll be on your way to achieving your dreams. Number 2, decide what brings you joy. Imagine this. You're chasing after money, thinking it will bring you happiness. But in reality, it's the other way around. Money follows joy, not the other way around. If you do what you love and enjoy doing, making money becomes much easier. Think about it like this. If you're passionate about something, you'll naturally put in more effort and energy into it. And when you're passionate about your work, people are more likely to notice and appreciate your efforts. This can lead to more opportunities and ultimately, more money. On the other hand, if you're stuck in a job you hate or in a destructive relationship, it creates a cage around you. You feel trapped and unhappy, which can spill over into all aspects of your life, including your finances. But when you start to enjoy your work and surround yourself with positive, inspiring people, everything becomes easier. In times of crisis, instead of panicking, you'll start to see opportunities. You'll think outside the box and find creative solutions to overcome challenges. And by focusing on doing what you love, you'll attract more joy and abundance into your life, including financial success. So remember, money follows joy, not the other way around. Number 3, money loves attention. You earn money from your job or other sources. That's your income. Then, you spend that money on different things like food, rent, and entertainment. Those are your expenses. If you spend more money than you actually have coming in, you might end up in a tough spot financially. That's what we mean by not exceeding your income. To prevent this, you can plan out how you're going to spend your money each month. That's called making a budget. When you track where your money is going, you might notice that you're spending a lot on things that aren't really necessary, like maybe buying coffee every morning. Even though each coffee doesn't cost much, it adds up over time. So, by making some small changes to your spending habits, like maybe cutting down on those daily coffees, you can actually save quite a bit of money. And saving money is like giving yourself a little pay raise because you have more left over at the end of the month. Number 4, take the proven path. Becoming rich involves more than just having skills. It's about using those skills wisely and continuing to learn and grow. Many people are good at something, but they often stop learning new things or only focus on one area. However, your brain needs ongoing stimulation to stay sharp. Rich people tend to have a wide range of interests and skills that go beyond what's typical. Research shows that learning different things makes your brain more flexible and keeps your mental abilities strong for longer. So, make time every day, even just 30 minutes, to learn something new, even if it seems unrelated to your current goals. You never know when it might come in handy, and it'll keep your mind sharp for whatever challenges come your way. Number 5, cushions save lives. Robert Kiyosaki often advises people to pay yourself first when it comes to personal finance. This means setting aside some money from your income before paying any bills or debts. Even if you have loans to repay or a modest income, it's important to prioritize saving money each month for emergencies. Building an emergency fund can be a lifesaver when unexpected expenses arise, helping you avoid financial stress. By treating saving as a fixed monthly expense, you can develop a habit of regularly setting aside money. Over time, this can grow into savings for various purposes like retirement, vacations, or a down payment on a house. While it's easy to deposit money into a savings account, the interest earned is often minimal. To combat inflation and make your money work harder, consider investing in businesses or other financial instruments that offer higher returns. This can help preserve and grow the value of your savings over time. Number 6, find your purpose. Identify what truly brings meaning and fulfillment to your life. Pursue activities and endeavors that resonate with your passions and values. When you engage in work that aligns with your purpose, you'll find it easier to stay motivated and dedicated, ultimately increasing your chances of success. Remember, money follows joy, so prioritize activities that bring you genuine happiness. Number 7, embrace continuous learning. Commit to lifelong learning and personal development. Expand your knowledge and skills across various domains, not just in your area of expertise. Continuously challenging yourself to learn new things enhances your adaptability and resilience, making you better equipped to navigate changing circumstances and seize opportunities for growth. Number 8, cultivate a growth mindset. Adopt a growth mindset characterized by a belief in your ability to learn and improve. Embrace challenges as opportunities for growth rather than obstacles to be avoided. By maintaining a positive attitude and viewing setbacks as valuable learning experiences, you'll be better positioned to overcome obstacles and achieve your goals. Number 9, Practice financial discipline. Develop disciplined financial habits, such as budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. Prioritize paying yourself first by setting aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. By living within your means and making prudent financial decisions, you'll build a solid foundation for long-term financial security and prosperity. Number 10. Key money wisdom. Robert Kiyosaki's famous quote from Rich Dad, Poor Dad highlights a key difference between rich and poor people. Poor people work for money, while rich people make money work for them. This not only distinguishes between wealth and poverty, but also emphasizes the importance of financial freedom. While you may not have control over prices in stores or the global economy, you can control your spending habits and prepare for unforeseen circumstances. By focusing on making your money work for you through investments and smart financial decisions, you can increase your wealth and gain more control over your life. Ultimately, the message is empowering. You have the ability to change your life and achieve financial success. By breaking free from traditional ways of thinking and taking steps towards financial independence, you can move closer to achieving your goals and securing a brighter future.